Alright, this is a new buy request video. Ang buy request videos natin, ibig sabihin, these are questions na pinadala ninyo sa akin through the Facebook page or dun sa mga comment section ng YouTube. And this is me answering those questions and showing my solution. I figured kasi, same na reason din why I started making videos in the first place, hindi enough sometimes yung just showing you my solutions. Maganda if you can actually watch me solve it for you guys para makita ninyo yung entire process, not just the formula. So that's what we're going to do right now, okay? Now, here's a question sent in by Ed Marie and Cabo. Sabi niya, Jane, Paul, and Peter can finish painting the fence in 2 hours. If Jane does the job alone, she can finish in 5 hours. If Paul does the job alone, he can finish it in 6 hours. How long will it take for Peter to finish the job alone? Okay? Now, we already discussed yung work problems na ganitong klase in one of my other videos and yung series natin on work problems. I'm going to link it dito sa taas sa annotation page natin. So you can watch those to see yung concept niya in action. This is just something like that, okay? Ang difference lang is that instead of 2 people, you have 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, magbabago ba yung formula? Not really. It's going to be the same. Magdadagdag ka lang ng isa pang fraction. Okay? So, anong mangyayari dito? Ang mangyayari dyan is, it's going to be like this. Kung si Jane, kaya niya in 5 hours, then siya yung 1 over 5. 5 kasi 5 hours siya. Plus, yung kay Paul, which is 6 hours, that is 1 over 6. Dito lang galing yan. Kasi 6 hours si Paul, 5 hours si Jane. Plus, yung isa pa sa kanila, si Peter, na hindi natin alam, kasi yun yung nakalagay, how long will it take for Peter to finish the job alone. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang nawawala is this. This is 1 over x. Okay? And then, pag magkakasama sila, all together, 1, 2, 3, can finish painting the fence in 2 hours. Ibig sabihin nun, ito yung magiging 2 is equal to 1. Bakit? Kasi same job naman. Isa lang din yung kanilang pipinturahan. So, with this formula, we just need to solve for yung x natin. Okay? So again, working dun sa konsepto na when we talk about fractions and their least common multiple or least common denominator, ang gagawin lang natin is i-multiply natin siya sa lahat. So ibig sabihin nun, ang least common denominator is 5 times 6 times x, which is 30x. Okay? And then iisa-isahin natin yung bawat isa. Okay? I-divide natin, 30x divided by 5, okay, is 6x, plus times 1. So, this would be 6x plus, and then, ito naman, ang nawawala sa kanya is the 5x, okay, plus yung 30 natin here. Okay, and paano ko yung ginawa ng medyo mas mabilis? Just watch the fractions natin, no? Yun naman yung same concept niya. Times 2 is equal to 1. Ibababa natin ulit. Combine like terms. Kasi pareho silang x. So, pwede mo silang pagsamahin. So, that is 11x plus 30 over 30x times 2 is equal to 1. Okay? Now, when we multiply ng whole number, that is like multiplying sa 2 times 1. So, across lang. Pagsasamahin lang talaga natin sila literally. So, 2 times 11x is 22x plus 30 times 2, which is 60 over 30x is equal to 1. Now, what do we do next? Para makancel natin yung 30x, ang gagawin natin, we can go straight away sa multiplication ng 30x para makancel ito. So, this becomes 22x plus 60 is equal to 30x. Okay? At pagsasamahin natin lahat ng x sa isang side, okay? Kasi iiwanan na natin yung x natin, okay? Parang sa toong buhay lang. 30x minus 22x. Bakit? Kasi nag-transpose ka. Again, if you don't know this, go and check out the video on inequalities para malaman niyo yan or ma-review niyo yan. 60, okay? So, 60 is equal to 30x minus 22x. So, that is 8x. So, i-divide lang natin yung 60 sa 8. Okay? That is what we need to do. Okay? So, 60 divided by 8. Okay? So, ilan yun? So, you can go and go through the fraction route. So, ang gagawin lang natin is sa smallest terms natin yung 60 over 8. So, pwede siya sa 2. I-divide natin siya sa pareho sa 2. So, we have 30 over 4. Pwede pa uli siya sa 2. So, pwede siyang maging 15 over 2. Okay? Or, kung i-decimal naman natin siya, that is going to give you 7.5. Kasi 15 divided by 2 is 7. Remainder 1 divided by 2 or 1/2, that is 7.5. So, the answer is 7.5 hours. So, ibig sabihin nun, si Peter alone can finish the job in 7.5 hours. Okay? So that's how you solve it. Now, paano kung 4? Edi magdagdag ka lang ng isa pa dito. Ganun lang yun. Okay? Next. This question was sent in by Shayna May Ancheta. Sabi niya, Dave is meeting his friends at 7:30 p.m. The average speed of the bus is 28 kilometers per hour and he needs to travel 20 kilometers. When is the latest time he should catch the bus? Ibig sabihin nun, kailangan umabot siya by 7:30. Ngayon, pag nakakita kayo dito itong problem na meron time, huwag kayong masyadong nervyusin. Focus on kung ilang minuto o ilang oras yung hinihingi and then you can backtrack using yung time na binigay sa atin. Kung 7:30 kailangan dumating si Dave, ilang minuto, tagalugin natin siya para mas madali and I always recommend na my students do this. Tagalugin niyo yung tanong kung naguguluhan kayo. 7:30 dapat nandun si Dave. Okay? Ang distansya mula sa kanyang pinanggagalingan hanggang dun sa kanyang goal, okay, sa meeting place nila is 20 kilometers. Ang bus na iti-take niya is 28 kph, kilometers per hour. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, okay, yung biyahe na ito should be kulang-kulang 1 oras. Bakit? Kasi 28 kilometers sa 1 oras. Hindi aabot na 1 oras yung biyahe ni Dave. And then, kukunin natin kung ilang minuto yon, ibabawas natin ngayon sa 7:30 na goal. So, ano muna ang goal natin? Okay? Gaano karaming oras ang kailangan ni Dave para makarating doon sa kanyang pupuntahan? Sa 28 kilometers per hour, nung bus, you can use yung ating speed, distance, time triangle natin na speed is equal to distance over time. You can use that formula. Ang speed natin is 28 kilometers per hour. Ang distance is 20. So, ang time is equal to distance over S, kasi tatakpan natin siya, no? Distance over S. So, time is equal to distance, which is 20 kilometers over, kung ilan yung speed, which is 28 kilometers per hour. So, actually, very simple naman to. Fraction lang talaga siya. Okay? So, time is equal to, again, you can use i-lowest terms natin sa fraction para mas madali natin i-handle to. I-divide natin siya pareho sa 2. So, that is 10 over 14. Pwede pa uli sa 2. So, that is 5 over 7. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang time, okay, na kailangan niya is 5 over 7 ng 1 oras. Ngayon, hindi pa to time. Hindi pa to ang sagot. Kasi you have to know muna kung ilang minuto yung 5 over 7 hours. Ngayon, syempre, ilang minuto meron sa 1 oras? Sa 1 oras, in 1 hour, you have 60 minutes. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung i-convert natin yung 5 over 7 hours, okay, into minutes, ang kailangan natin gawin is, ilan ang minuto sa 1 oras? You have 60 minutes in 1 hour. Maka-cancel yung unit na to. And again, I'm going to start a new series if you haven't yet on conversion. We'll talk about this entire thing soon. But for now, ito muna yan. So, ilang minuto meron sa 1 oras? 60 minutes. So, 5 times 60 is 300 over 7. Okay, which is yung 7 kasi is 7 times 1. 5 times 60 is 300, 7 times 1 is 7. So, yung 300 over 7 minutes, hindi pa yan actual minutes, i-divide pa natin yan. Dito yung magiging tedious na process nito. Okay? So, 300 divided by 7. Okay? So, 7, 14, 21, 28. So, that is 4, 28. Remainder 2, 20. 20 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. So, meron ka pang 6 dito. Okay? So, magkakaroon tayo ng decimal dyan. Magiging 6 dito. Okay? So, sa 60 naman, you have 8. So, 8 times 7 is 56. Okay? And then you have 4 right here. So, may remainder ka pa uli. Magiging 40 ito. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay? So, that is 5. Okay? So, basically, you can go on and solve pa until kung pang ilang segundo, no? Or, you can start looking at the options. Okay? Dito papasok kung gaano ka-importante yung options. Kasi kung ano yung nasa options will determine kung gaano kalaking detail yung kailangan nyong puntahan dito. Sa 42.85 minutes, basically, yung ibig sabihin nun, that is about 43 minutes. Okay? Kung walang decimal or walang seconds yung options ninyo, then you don't need to deal with the remainder right here. Okay? Pwede mo na siyang i-round up into 43 minutes. Ibabawas natin yung 43 minutes sa 7:30. So that is 7:30 p.m. minus, minus 43 minutes. So tanggalin na natin agad yung 30. 7 o'clock na yon. 7 o'clock minus 13 more minutes. So that is going to give you 6:47. Okay? Again, 6:47 if ito yung nasa options. Okay? Kung walang seconds. Kung may seconds pa, what you still need to do would be yung 0.85, bibilangan nyo pa yan in terms of seconds. So that is going to give you 0.85. Okay? Tapos ang seconds mo is 60 seconds per 1 minute. So 0.85 times 60 over 1. So again, it's a whole new different thing if may seconds yung option. But kung wala siya sa options, the answer would be 6:47. Kasi sa 6:47, mabubuo na yung 43 minutes, again rounded up para makarating si Dave dun sa meeting niya. Ngayon, bakit ko sinasabi look at the options? Kasi sa lahat ng exam, yun ang susi. Okay? Kung 6:47 and some seconds, then that would be the answer. Ngayon, bakit hindi siya pwede maging 6:48? Okay? Bakit hindi natin i-minus yung 42 lang? Kasi kung 6:48 siya aalis, malilate pa rin siya ng kung ilang segundo yung 0.85 ng isang minuto. Late na siya nun. So, kailangan, at the latest, kung ang pinaka-unit ng options mo is minutes, the answer should still be 6:47. Okay? So, again, siya na depende yan kung anong options ang meron doon sa iyong ginagamit na reviewer or kung saan mo nakuha yung tanong na ito. That is how far we go into detail. Okay? Dahil nga hindi siya solid na whole number. Ngayon, next. Sabi ni Benji Tiamson, DVD player is on sale at the price of 2,000 pesos if the discount is 20%, what is the original price of the DVD player? I-correct natin ito. Lagyan natin ng the DVD player. Ngayon, itong question na to is actually something that I discussed in a series I made regarding discounts and percentages. So you can watch it, go and watch that lesson para malaman niyo kung paano to i-solve. But I'm going to showcase it here din, Benji. May formula kasi to. Ang working formula nito is that the new price is equal to the original price plus or minus the original price times the percentage. Again, if you don't understand this, go ahead and watch the video. Okay? I made a bunch of those para makakash up kayo. This is the traditional formula. So, ang binigay is yung 2,000 which is yung sale at a price. Ibig sabihin nun, ito na yung may sale, may discount na yan. So, yun na yung discounted price. So, siya na yung new price. That is 2,000 is equal to the original price which is hindi natin alam kasi what siya. At dahil what siya yung X. And dahil nag-discount ka from the original price, ang gagamitin natin is minus. Minus the original price times ilan ng percent ng discount? 20%. 20%. And then this is your formula. So you have 2,000 is equal to X minus 0.2X, which is just basically 20%, or 2,000 is equal to 0.8X. Okay? And then you're going to basically divide both sides by 0.8 kasi para makancel itong side na to. So 20 divided by 0.08 is going to give you 2,000 divided by 0.08 is 2,000 divided by 0.8 para mawala yung decimal nito na ito. Move natin siya one time. At dahil minove natin siya one time, iladagdag natin yung 0 dito. So these are just your long division rules. Okay? So 20 divided by 8, that is 2. You have 16. Okay? And then you have 4 here, 0, which is going to give you 5. Okay? So, nagbaba na tayo ng 1, 2, 3. So, meron ka bang remainder na 2 0. Dahil ito ay sakto ng 40, idadagdag na lang natin yung 0 dyan. Sa taas, the answer is 2,500 pesos. Again, that is the traditional method. I also taught yung ratio rotation method, which goes like this. You can do it ng original price over new price in pesos and in percentages or new price over original price. Bahala kayo kung ano gusto ninyo, no? So, in pesos, ang original price is X kasi nawawala. Ang new price is 2,000 is equal to the percentage. Ang percentage ng original price is always 100%. Ang new price is, in this case, dahil nagbawas ka ng 20% minus 20%, so that is 100% minus 20%, which is going to give you 80 right here. Okay? And then we're going to do ratio rotation. We can do that. Okay? So again, same thing. You can cancel this. Pwede yang maging 10 over 8. Pwede pa uling maging 5 over 4. So 2,000, ikot natin, divided by 4 is going to give you 500 times 5. Okay? Times 5 is still going to give you 2,500. So again, same answer, whether you use the traditional method or the ratio rotation method. Okay? Kung naguluhan dito sa entire thing, again, go ahead and watch my video lessons. That's what they're there for. Para makanood kayo na paulit-ulit. Okay? Next. This was sent in by Diane Santos Sangalang. Sabi niya, the sum of two integers is 63. If one of the integers is 3 more than twice the other, what are the two integers? Now, the first thing I want to talk about is this term integers. No? Pag sabi integer, may negative and positive integers ka. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-eliminate yung possibility na yon. But ang pinaka-goal here actually is to construct your equation. So if you attended one of my live review events or if you were part of the online review program, this should not be too hard for you kasi meron na tayong pinag-usapan doon regarding equation construction. Now, ang nakalagay dito, there are two integers. Ang sum nila is 63. So, ibig sabihin nun, yung first integer, second integer, ang sum nila is 63. Now, sabi, yung one of the integers, okay, so you have kaya integer A and integer B. Sabi, one of them is what? Okay, kaya A is equal to, kung tatawagin natin si B na X, A is 3 more than, so that is 3 plus more than twice the others. Twice nung isa pa, which is your X or si B. Okay, so yan yung dalawang integer. You have 3 plus 2X and X. At ang sabi, ang sum nila is 63. So, ang formula mo is basically A plus B or, kakopyahin natin dito sa side na to, you have 3 plus 2X plus X is equal to 63. And then we're just going to solve for it here. So, you have 3 plus 2X plus X. Sasamahin natin kasi pareho silang X. So, you have 3X is equal to 63. And then, ililipat natin to sa kabilang side. Iiwan natin yung mga X sa isang side. 3X is equal to 63 minus 3. 3X is equal to 60. Divided by 3 on both sides para makancel ito. Again, this is equality, so watch the series na lang kung ninyo pa rin nagigets kung paano nagka-cancel, no? So, 3x over 3 is x is equal to 60 divided by 3, which is 20. So, ibig sabihin nun, ang first integer natin, integer b is x, which is 20. Okay? At yung second integer, which is a, or 3 plus 2 times the b, which is 20, yan naman ay solve pa rin natin yan. So, you have 3 plus 2 times 20, which is 40. You have 43. So, ang integers natin are 20 and 43. Those are the answers. Okay? So, again, anong susi sa mga ganitong klaseng tanong? Algebra. Practice. Learn equation construction. Okay? So, if you're attending one of the live review events or joining the online review program, don't worry, you have drills on that. If you have the workbook, nandun din yung drills natin on equation construction. Ang goal lang, isa-isahin nyo. 3 more than, ang more than means addition. 3 more than twice or 2 times the other, which is yung ating isang number doon. So, siya yung magiging x. Okay? So, that's how you do it. Alright? So, again, keep practicing, guys. And ang gagawin natin ngayon is once in a while, go to www.facebook.com/Team Laika for yung ating mga questions, videos, updates, and yung mga review events. I am going to start a new tradition of asking you guys for other questions like this. Tapos ipopost nyo siya, and then if I can set aside yung live time to teach you live, I'm going to demonstrate how to solve it live and take in your questions. I'm still looking for kung ano yung best day para sa inyo. So, if you're watching this video, let me know kung anong araw kayo kayo nasa bahay for me to hold a YouTube live event para ma-explain ko sa inyo yung mga bagay-bagay at makipag-usap sa inyo live. Okay? So, I'm thinking it could be on a Friday. So, ibig sabihin Friday tayo. Tuwing Friday, magkikita-kita tayo paggabi. But since I'm going to be traveling a lot, then pwede rin natin siyang gawing Monday or Tuesday. So, kung anong mas gusto nyo? Tuesday or Friday? Let me know. Comment below kung ano yung pinaka-maraming response. Dun ko siya gagawin. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. Again, if you want to learn the review materials, then you can go and contact me directly dyan din sa Facebook page natin. Okay? So, Aja guys, God bless you and keep believing, keep praying, keep learning. Kaya nyo yan. I'm always here to support you. If you have any requests, let me know then. Okay? Aja, bye for now.